Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back with a new video. Guess the surah name by emoji. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Yusuf. Surah Yusuf. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Nisa. Suratul Nisa. The women. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Baqarah. Surah Al-Baqarah. The heifer. The cow. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah An-Naml. Surah An-Naml. The ant. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Fil. Suratul Fil. The elephant. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Qadr. Suratul Qadr. The power. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Ash-Shams. Suratul Shams. The sun. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Qamar. Suratul Qamar. The moon. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Yunus. Surah Yunus. Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Nahl. Suratul Nahl. The bee. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Nuh. Surat Nuh. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Tur. Surah Tur. Tur the mountain. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah At-Teen. Suratul Teen. The fig. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Zukhruf. Suratul Zukhruf. Ornaments. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah An-Najm. Suratul Najm. The star. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Layl. Suratul Layl. The night. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Kahf. Suratul Kahf. The cave. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Ankabut, Suratul Ankabut, the spider. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Al-Qalam, Suratul Qalam, the pen. Guess the surah name by emoji. Surah Zalzala, Suratul Zilzal, the earthquake. I hope you liked the video. Tell me in comments how many you guessed. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel so you can receive the notification of our next video. Thanks. Bye. Love it.